Welcome back. Today we will fix an Ikon TV. The issue is when we press the power key, power indicator red LED will flash but not in an order. It looks it's trying to power on but cannot complete the process due to power supply related issues such as short circuit or something. Let's starting by inspecting at the high power and low power components, as it is easy to find if there is any visual defects or damages on the components, and straight diving with a multimeter and testing each components. Check capacitors for any bulges on top or bottom, if there is any leaks. Cracked diodes or SMD components. Any other deformation on components than normal. Dark or black color on PCB or any component indicating damage due to overheat, etc. Here we can clearly see that the 472J400V metallized polyester film capacitor have been deformed and expired, so we'll check after finding a replacement part. We found the exact spare and replaced already with a regular soldering iron, heating one leg at a time, lifting it slowly, then the next, and after 3 to 4 times each leg lifting little by little, the component will get free, or you can use little more soldering lead to heat both leg at a time and remove easily. Due to a recording error, I couldn't film the rest, but the device was working after replacing it.
Like, share, subscribe and comment.